Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Dollar Bank Mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in Dollar Bank Mortgage, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.dollar.bank. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Dollar Bank, where all you need to do is simply go in the borrowing sector and tap on mortgages. So once you're in the mortgages, you can simply tap on the login option right beside it, and after you do so, you will end up having this kind of page in your interface. So simply type in your user ID and your password of your account, and after you do this, you need to tap on the login option. Once this is done, you can get your login access in Dollar Bank Mortgage. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.